So hello and good day guys. So welcome back to my channel, and right now I am going to show you how to book a flight on Google Sites. So the first thing you need to do is to search it. So as you can see here, I'm gonna type google.com and then just type this one. Just copy what I will type here guys, and then after that one you will be directed here. So as you can see, this is the platform of the Google Sites when you book a flight. As you can see here, there are some icons that you will see here. For example, that is travel, explore. Then here, let's try to explore this one. And then you will see here, find cheap flights. And they will recommend you something here. As you can see here, there are some countries. And then after that one, there are popular destinations. You can go here. Here you will be able to see here, guys, popular destinations from Cagayan de Oro. And then some frequently asked question, guys. For example, that is you're searching for something and then you just need to click this one. For example, this is how could I get a flight alerts for my trip, and then you just need to tap on that one, and then below that one guide is find cheap flights. So here are some popular cheap flights, guys, that you can see here that they will recommend to you. And then let's go back here, just tap this one, and then you will be able to see here flights. Then tap on that one again, and then after that one is you are now here, the platform of the flight section. Then you will be able to choose here either you want a one-way round trip or multi-city. You just need to click on it, guys. Depends on your liking. And then after that one is the passengers that you how many passengers that will be with you. You just need to tap on that plus sign or the minus sign if you want to only these passengers, and then you can choose here in funds, in seat, or on lap. And you just need to click this one after that one, and then you can choose here what type of class do you want, guys. For example, that is economy, premium economy, and then business, or the first class. And then after that one is you just need to tap on that one, and here you can see here, guys, after that one you will now type where are you from. For example, that is I'm from Cebu City. And then just need to tap on this one, and then where to, as you can see here, the where to field, type where are you going. For example, that is we are going to Manila. And then after that one, guys, is you can see here the date. So when are you going, and there are some price that they will recommend below the date, guys. As you can see here, 1,160 pesos. And then you just need to choose a flight, a date. Then just tap on this one, done. Then after that one, guys, you will be able to see here the search button, this blue button, guys, and then click on this one. And then after that one, you will be directed here. So there are some suggestions or recommendations. Then you will see here, guys, the best flights. Then here you can choose here how many or non-stop you want to choose an airline. You can select here. For example, that is this one. And below this one, guys, is let's try to choose here the prices, the times, the emissions. You have a choice, guys. If you want a layover duration, all connecting airports. And then after that one, guys, is here. Let's try to click on this one, and you will be able to see here some recommendations. And then after that one is here are the airlines, and then right beside is the time and the duration, and then either it's a non-stop or not. And then here are the average emission, and then the price. Then you will see here, guys, is I am clicking this one to see the date and the time. Then after that one is you just need to tap on what you want, guys. Then you will be able to see here more information. And if you want this one, guys, if you choose this one, you just need to tap on that select flight. Let's see here, guys. So here are the information, the details. 9:05 a.m. you will be departing, and then after that one, guys, is here they will be directing you to have a choices to which booking options you want. In here, guys, you will be able to see here your departing flight, and below this one, guys, is a booking options where you want to book. For example, is I want to book here on, as you can see here, I want to book here in the, just tap on that one, guys, if you want to book. For example, that is I want to book here at the my trip, this book with trip.com. You just need to tap on that one, guys. Then you can see here the price. So let's try to have this one and then just tap on this continue. Then here, guys, this is the price details. The details of your flight. You'll be able to see here, read here the information. You can select fare, economic class, and then you can also add a passenger, guys, and then you need to fill in this information. Then you can also add a baggage allowance here, guys. Either you want also to add another adult. And then here, guys, is you can see here if you want a carry-on baggage or to add a baggage. The below here is the discounts. And then here you'll be seeing here the total price, and then just click on this next, and then you'll be seeing here asking if you want to add something on your trip, and then just click the blue button here, guys. And then this one, guys, is you can also have this one cancel for any reason. And then here is a part where you can choose your seat. And so you want a window seat, an aisle seat, or a middle seat. And then every part, guys, is there will be a price. For example, you want to have a window seat, and then this will be the one that you need to pay. You need an additional payment. It depends on where seat do you want, guys. Tap on this one, and after that one is you will be redirected here. So we just need to wait for a minute. Then here, guys, you will be directed here to the payment method after that one. And here you can choose here smart check-in or flexible travel dates. Here you will have a choices here, guys. And then if you don't have anything to add, just need to go here to the final confirmation. And this is the last step. And then here, after this one, guys, is you need to add your card details, and then or you can also pay through GCash, guys. And after that one, guys, you are ready to go, and your book will be confirmed after this one, guys, after you pay this one. And that's how you book a flight on Google site, guys.